Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage, Shankar!
Can you all please stand up for a moment?
Yeah.
We'll do a quick clapping exercise, and we'll not do it the regular way. We'll do it slightly different. Keep your two hands together, and when you are clapping, make sure your thickness is coming together. So like this, and clap along with me. Fast, 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 fast. Fast, 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 fast. Thank you, thank you. Just rub your palms, apply the warmth on your face. See how you are feeling yourself now. Thank you, take your seat. Thank you, thank you. So it was the year 2012, 6 o'clock in the morning. Woke up little early. I was not sure what to do on that day. It was my second day of my rejoining. But however, it was dark outside, dark inside also. I had worked hard for 7 long years, but I wanted to really get into my passion. My passion was to become a classical musician. That particular day was a day of transformation. I wanted to find a system which will put my hard-earned money into work. I had worked very hard for 7 long years, and I wanted to know if there is any system at all that will put my hard-earned money into real work. Have you ever felt that you want your money to work very, very hard for you?
Yes.
All right. Third day, that day I did not go to office. Third day, I did not go to office. And my mom and wife bulldozed me to go to office. It was like asking an elephant to jump. I said, I quit. For a middle class family, quitting the job is like a death in the family. Little did I know that I was giving birth to a wonderful concept now I call as profit system. Profit system is a system that will help you make consistent profits in stock market. After the 4th day, I wasn't knowing where to go from here. 3 buildings next to my house, my friend was running his bulk SMS office. I was just going and sitting with him. He was also parallelly looking for a system to employ his money to work for him very, very hard. We started rigorous research because at the core, I felt if we do what we are good at, we can build a better society. I put my hard work into this. For 2 long years, attended seminars, read books, did everything that will actually help us give this system. We started experimenting this particular system on people. And there is a brokerage house, discount brokerage house called Zerodha, who gives you a certificate if you are a net profitable after 60 days. I'm very happy to tell you that both of us put together have got 10 certificates overall, which is Zerodha winner certificates. Thank you. 67 people who have benefited from my profit system are very happy, and I want to implement all of these learnings into my book called Profit Triangle. Base of the profit triangle is ourselves. I understood one thing, that we form the base of ourselves, even in trading. And then you have your strategy, you have your money management, which will take you from you to the profits. If you construct this triangle wrong, then you will lead to losses. My dear friends, I welcome you to look for my launch of the book called Profit Triangle, which will teach you step-by-step methodology to make your money work very, very hard for you. Thank you.
Very good. You need to be proud of yourself.
Thank you.
Absolutely. For you to only come up with Profit Triangle just a few days ago and now speak here on this stage with conviction and certainty and to get that message to land for us, it's quite extraordinary.
Thank you.
You know, on your feedback, on your questionnaire, you wrote that the number one thing that you wanted from this boot camp experience was focus.
Yes.
And what we've seen now, just that terminology, profit triangle, I think is really ingenious. I think it will land really well in the marketplace. It's really easily catchable for anyone at all. And also there's a curiosity around it as well. I believe you've already got your focus. So it's now about being faithful with the small. Get this message out there. You know, I can see this message not only here in this country, but also globally as well. I can see a movement. I can see a blended learning education system. I can see facilitators that come underneath you. These here will be the Profit Triangle facilitators. And you know, you're going to create an entire global movement all under this ideology.
Thank you.
Which is absolutely brilliant. Always remember, though, that the best is yet to come. Let's give him another round of applause.
Thank you.
Awesome.